Hey guys, I'm Adam here with RDO and Moorhead. Today we're going to look at the all-new single point connection for the 1 Series compact utility tractors. So as we look at the single point connection, typically before we had this new product, we would be hooking and unhooking the hydraulic lines here, down at the bottom of the machine underneath the cab. With the new single point connection, it makes it easy. You're right up here on top where you can see easily and hook everything up all at once. As we go to hook up the unit, we've got 2 alignment pins to go into the block. As we push down and in, just like that, we are hooked up. And to release the unit, you have a locking pin here. Push forward to unlock, lift up on the black handled lever, and lift the block up and off. All right, just to kind of wrap things up, this is the new single point hydraulic connection for the 1 Series compact utility tractors. They're now available from John Deere. Contact your local RDO dealership to have you set up with a new kit.